Luxury meets innovation in the all-new 2026 Lexus RX 350. With a sleek gray exterior and a bold design, this SUV redefines sophistication and performance. Join us as we take an in-depth look at what makes this model stand out. From the moment you lay eyes on the RX 350, you know this is no ordinary SUV. The iconic Lexus spindle grille dominates the front fascia, now with a more refined mesh pattern that enhances aerodynamics and elegance. The striking LED headlights seamlessly integrate with the sharp body lines, giving it an aggressive yet sophisticated presence. Moving along the side, the sculpted bodywork and chrome accents exude a sense of motion, even at a standstill. The 20-inch alloy wheels with a multi-spoke design complement the vehicle's dynamic proportions, ensuring a commanding stance on the road. The carefully sculpted character lines add a modern touch, reflecting light beautifully as the RX 350 moves. At the rear, Lexus introduces an elegant light bar stretching across the tailgate, seamlessly blending with the signature L-shaped taillights. The sloping roofline gives it a coupe-like silhouette, enhancing its sporty appeal. Dual chrome exhaust tips and a sculpted bumper add a performance-inspired finish, ensuring that the RX 350 looks as powerful as it feels. Powering the 2026 RX 350 is a refined 2.4-liter turbocharged inline-4 engine, delivering 275 horsepower and 317 pound-feet of torque. This SUV strikes a perfect balance between power and efficiency, ensuring a smooth and exhilarating driving experience. The refined turbocharger minimizes lag, providing instant acceleration and seamless highway cruising. Paired with an advanced 8-speed automatic transmission and available all-wheel drive, the RX 350 offers seamless shifts and confident handling, whether you're cruising through city streets or taking on winding mountain roads. The newly tuned suspension enhances ride comfort while maintaining precise cornering capabilities. No matter the conditions, the Lexus RX 350 is built to perform. The intelligent all-wheel drive system automatically adjusts power distribution, maximizing traction in rain, snow, or rough terrain. Whether you're driving through a storm or exploring off the beaten path, confidence comes standard. Lexus engineers have taken aerodynamics to the next level with the RX 350. The sleek body shape and underbody panels work together to reduce drag, increasing fuel efficiency and stability at high speeds. Active grille shutters automatically adjust to optimize airflow, balancing engine cooling with aerodynamic efficiency. This attention to design allows the RX 350 to achieve impressive fuel economy, making it a perfect choice for those who demand both performance and sustainability. With a refined engine start-stop system, every drop of fuel is maximized to ensure an efficient and eco-friendly ride. Safety is a top priority in the RX 350. Equipped with the latest Lexus Safety System Plus, it includes adaptive cruise control, lane departure alert, and a pre-collision system with pedestrian detection. The new enhanced blind spot monitoring system and cross-traffic alert provide additional confidence when changing lanes or reversing out of tight spaces.